Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Hey y'all. So I know I haven't been vlogging for a while. Well, only 1 week. I think I only missed a week. And I wasn't gonna vlog this week, but I talked to my Aunt Vanessa today, and she said she really enjoys our hauls. And we were out shopping when she called, so I said, instead of vlogging the whole day, let's do the haul of it all, y'all. So we went to TJ Maxx, Home Goods Combo, Goodwill, another thrift store. And that was it, right? Yeah, that was it. And we went to the grocery store, as you can see behind us. We went to H-E-B. We always hit H-E-B on the weekend because I have some food in there cooking. And we need to start so that way we'll be ready when the chicken strips are out of the oven. All right, so we're just going to dive right in. I'll start with the Goodwill. I needed to go get some jeans, y'all, because your girl is losing the weight. Yeah, I told y'all I'm on the Manjaro, and it's helping out tremendously. Like, I think now I am down 24 pounds. Yeah, almost 25 pounds. So yeah, I needed more jeans and stuff because they're just not, like, they're not fitting right. So I ain't trying to go out here and look crazy. These are really nice. Now that I look at them, right?
And it's so funny because I saw them and then I was like, nah. And then I went back and I was like, let me just show her anyways.
Yeah. These are really nice. So I got these. These are Elite jeans, and they were $6.99, and they have like a wide leg to them. Very dark. Go ahead. Very dark denim with the orange, which is the reason I was getting that orange shirt. But I got something else too that'll go with this. So, but I got these. And do you want to? You got a lot. You got a lot. And then I got. These are from the Loft, and these right here are like a basic jean, not like skinny leg, but a tapered leg, and I can just wear this with, like, you know, a t-shirt and tennis shoes, you know, like you want to just kick around and throw on some jeans to go to the grocery store or something like that. But yeah, these were also $6.99. And then I got these, which are, I think, yeah, White House Black Market, which I really like these. These are bootleg. You can see down at the bottom, kind of got a fade. This is what the pocket looks like right now, right there. $6.99 for these as well. These are really, 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 really nice. I really like the way these fit as well. Okay, where am I?
In the middle.
Right here?
No, that one.
Yeah. Okay. And then to continue with Goodwill, I found this dress.
I told her to get it because
Yeah.
I have this dress in pink and red.
So this is cute. It's from Shein. And in the back, there's like a little tie that you can tie right up on the neck part. Mm-hmm. And this was $7.99. Really cute. I know I said I was going to try to get away from black. Okay. I know I'm trying to get away from black. I want more color, especially because spring is about to hit. So, yeah. Speaking of spring, I'm so excited. Tomorrow is daylight saving time. I know we lose an hour, but y'all, I love the light of it all. Love it. Then I got, okay, so this shirt will actually go. This blouse, yeah, that'd be really cute. So just, you know, cute little blouse with florals for the spring of it all by the brand Cure. That's a large. But it was $5.99 as well. I think it was cute though. But yeah, that'll go really good with those jeans. And then I found this dress, which is really cute. This is from Loft as well. And it's really cute. And it's supposed to have a belt with it, but the belt didn't come with it. But I ended up buying some belts at TJ Maxx. I'll show y'all here shortly. That'll probably go with it to kind of cinch in the waist to give me a little tapered look. And I like the gray buttons. I was actually going to try to find a belt that had gray. And I may still, I don't know. But right now I do have some belts that'll go with that. And then the one last thing. This is from, oh, that's from Target.
You got it from the Goodwill.
Yeah, but I got it via Goodwill. It's $5.99. Oh, how much is the dress? The dress was $7.99, and then this cute sweatshirt with the ruffles on the sleeve there. You guys can see
the
that?
ruffles are different.
Yeah, and it's this was $5.99, but I think this will be cute also with a pair of jeans, like on a Friday or something like that, and just wear some sneakers if I wanted to. It's kind of chill. So that's my haul from Goodwill.
Okay. The first item.
Hey, Vanessa.
So we were in the sweatshirt area / random things, and she pulled this out and was like, ooh, and I was like, what? She always finds good sweatshirts.
And she took it from me. She just pulled it straight from me. Oh. There she took it.
Then I got these cute shorts.
Ooh, our battery's kind of low.
Which these are from Shein.
Those are really cute too.
Super cute.
They
It
look
looks like
good
a
on her.
skirt in the front, but then it's shorts. And then I love loungy pants for work because I can put this with a teacher t-shirt and call it a day. So I got these pink ones. Super cute. From nowhere. And then I've always wanted a pair of these.
I thought you already had some
I
like.
think I have pink ones.
Yeah, those are cute. It looks like a skirt, y'all, but it's actually
Yeah.
pantalones.
And these are from Shein. They are an extra small.
Okay.
You know, I'm about to start losing weight now. Okay, these jeans,
She makes me so sick.
Indigo Rain.
Baby, I don't know, but Indigo Rain got it going on, y'all.
But
Check
these
out
jeans
the bottom.
look so good.
They look so good on her.
Like,
Ooh, those chicken strips smell good.
really good.
You should have put your ground turkey in the fridge.
Oh, I should. Then I got this. But I got this button up. It's a 2X. But I got it to go underneath the green sweatshirt because I like to have like the collar out.
Yeah. So she styled the whole thing in the Goodwill.
With the jeans. And then I, yeah.
Maybe that. She took it from me, y'all.
Okay. I love a good cardigan for work. It just, I don't know.
Kayla loves the colors.
But this is just giving Easter.
Oh, it is giving Easter.
And I already have a cardigan that gives Easter, but this is like easier.
That's real Easter right there.
And I could do like,
What?
okay, so whoever had this was cutting their wig.
That's lace. That's funny.
But I feel like I could do like all white with this on top. Something, but this is just so cute.
That's cute.
Okay, this, I've been wanting this shirt because one of the kids from last year, she had this shirt. She was like, oh, this is my mom's shirt. And I was like, okay, well, I want one. So I found a PB shirt.
Prairie View A&M University.
So cute. Can't wait to wear it because I have a limited supply of college shirts for college shirt day, which is every Wednesday.
And I don't have a college shirt at all.
Then I got these cute cargo pants because I love to wear these to work with a t-shirt. Like I just bought those stitch t-shirts. Super cute. And they have all the drawstrings and pulls and pockets. And then lastly, my partner teacher, she went to A&M, so I found this shirt and I got it for her.
And she wanted it,
Super
right?
cute, yes. Dang it. I could have saved this for her birthday.
When is her birthday?
In April.
Oh, wow. And then you could have paired it with that Aggies. Okay. All right, so where are we going next? Let's go to the
Other thrift.
other thrift store. I only got a couple of things from that thrift store. Got this cute dress.
Oh, yeah.
It's an
Very
Ellen
cute.
Tracy.
Oh, yeah, you know that?
Yeah, I don't know why I thought it was Talbot's. But this is such a cute little dress to go to work in. And it comes with its own belt, but I may switch it out. I do like the patent leather belt, but I might end up switching it out because it's kind of, it's seen better days. It's all cracked. But, yeah, I'll try to make whatever I have work. But, yeah, cute little, like, burnt red or something, like brick red or something. But it's really cute.
I will need that next year for the Christmas program.
And this was how much? $8.99. And then, oh, I only got one other thing from there. Then I got this, and this is for Christmas because it goes with the aesthetic that I have for Christmas. And it was only like $2.99, but I could
You know what
find
you could put in
something.
there?
What?
Like the cups.
You mean?
Like when we have like the Christmas party. I mean, if you want to use it like all year, like all throughout the season, but you could put like the plastic.
Could. Yeah. And then I was thinking ornaments. And, I don't know.
Oh, that
or I
would be
could
cute.
put greenery.
With ornaments.
Like the pine, what pine needle leaf looking stuff, garland like stuff I could put in here. So.
Sit it in the middle of the table. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm very excited. I got this really cute painting. A nice black lady.
Okay. That's cool.
But she's really cute, and I feel like it's gonna go with the aesthetic of my new apartment when I move.
Okay, we're all getting ready for this.
Yes, the living room is full. Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Forgot about these. I have finally checked something off of my thrifting bucket list. I finally found a pair of Miss Me jeans in my size.
And they're almost too big.
Yes.
Just losing weight.
So I probably have to get them taken. Oh, somebody already took them in.
Oh wow, they were big.
So they're not. So I would have to get them taken in again.
Yeah.
At the top, but really cute, and it has the blinky butt.
A blinky butt. How much were they?
$14.99.
Yeah, those were Miss Me. Okay,
Yeah,
where we going?
get them taken out.
We're back at TJ Maxx Home Goods.
Oh wait, I forgot.
Oh yeah.
And I also got these really cute earrings, which could go with mine, possibly.
And that's crazy because you didn't even bought that at 2 different times. That's cute.
So excited. I love colors.
So, from the TJ Maxx of it all, so I'm trying to branch out and be brave with the aesthetic of Easter. So I found this cute tablecloth that I want to put on my table, and I might do that here shortly. And then along with the tablecloth, I bought these placemats because I don't want my husband to put a greasy plate because we use a lot of paper plates, and I don't want him to put a greasy plate on top of this and then it'd be a stain. So I figured I'd get something like that. And since it's reminiscent of an Easter basket, I thought it would go really well.
She hasn't made for me yet.
Yeah, I haven't made it yet. Easter is in April. We're in March. So. But anyway, this will all go. And I feel like these colors won't make me have anxiety because like it has to go. Like everything has to go. Yeah. It seems like, oh my God. But I think it will. Looking at the house and looking at all the colors that I have in here, this will go really well. So we got that. And then, oh, they had some collagen that I like to add. I like to have collagen with my coffee every morning, like my iced coffee. And they had actually vanilla, and this was $12.99. And if y'all know, collagen costs. And this is a very good brand, Vital Proteins, because usually this, a small size like this in the store is like 20 bucks. So to have this for $12.99, I was really happy, and it's dairy free or whatever, but it's got my collagen peptides in it. And 10 grams of protein in it too. 10 grams of protein in this. So that's good. Because we're all about the protein lately. Then the belts that I was telling y'all about, I got all of these. They were $9.99? Oh, $38. Now, $9.99 for all 3. Regularly $38 for these 3 belts. What brand is this?
Oh, Steve Madden.
So I'm thinking like with that dress, you know, the black. I don't know about this dress. I don't know.
Or
maybe the black
middle one, since
the
it's
green.
kind of close to the gray.
This green with that? Oh, because it's close to the gray. Yeah. That actually looks good. I'll probably go with this one because I have some shoes that's this color too. That'll make it pop. And then the last thing. Oh no, not the last thing. I got this. Y'all, I don't know. It's something about this whipped body butter that I absolutely love. I bought some a couple of weeks ago, and I love it because it actually moisturizes your skin, but it doesn't keep your skin greasy. It's weird. But I ended up seeing this brand, which is my other one has the Manuka honey and the vitamin C in it, and But anyway, so yeah, I ended up getting this. It's really good and it smells real good, so I like that. And then the one last thing here is I got a nice big bottle of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil for like $14.99 because I like to have, are they done?
Yeah.
Okay. Love to have some good olive oil. And then all the time, y'all, when I go to TJ Maxx, I love to go like in their seasoning aisle and stuff like that, because you're going to get some things that you're just not going to get at your grocery store, and then you're not going to pay a lot. So this is a nice big size bottle for $14.99. You want me to get it, Kay? Yeah, and then she can take over for the rest of her home goods.
Okay. So at TJ Maxx, I got these really cute sneakers to go with the green sweatshirt. But they're really cute just to even wear with other stuff too. Oh, and then I was just complaining that I wanted these really bad, and then they had them by the register. But they're really big, silky scrunchies. And then got this cute headband. It's gonna go with the cardigan for Easter. It has like the little peeps on it. Oh, and then the last thing, these really cute coasters
for the future apartment.
Yeah.
And that is it. So one last thing that I'm gonna have Kayla do if she feels like it. If she doesn't, she'll tell you
Try
right
on the
now.
outfit.
Yeah. Look, she's ready. So I'll let y'all see how she put this outfit together. And this shows you what you can do at a thrift store, and then go to a good discount store, which is our TJ Maxx's, Burlington, Marshalls, those type of places, and you can see what kind of outfit you put together. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all check her out. Check her out.
She's cute.
She's cute.
My polyester suit.
With her whole Goodwill outfit.
Look at the jeans.
Look at the jeans. She's getting all fit.
Shirt.
All she gotta do is just iron the bottom of it so it'll just stay out. Zhuzh the sleeve. Zhuzh it a little, just a tad. That is so cute.
I love these shoes.
I do too. And she wasn't going to get them. I'm like, you have to. You save money on the outfit, so get the shoes.
That is true.
So cute.
Love it.
Love it. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I know it was a short little haul, but we wanted to bring that to you because I haven't been vlogging very much. But I think you always gonna enjoy a really good haul, especially a good Goodwill thrifted haul. We love bringing it to you because we like shopping. Okay. Alright guys, so thank you again. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and most of all, don't forget to share. Why? Because sharing is caring, and my name is Karen, so why wouldn't you share? Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in for our short little haul, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.
Come with me.